that he was from Antioquia.
How 10 minutes could save you thousands. Go.
I mean, commercial-free music just means back-to-back fun.
At least 22 songs in a row. And we do it in the morning at 8 and afternoon at 3.
Commercial-free Kiss. The new Kiss 107.9.
Believe in me. Got the whole state side, they believe in me.
We could just ride on our enemies.
According to the writer, the version of Gayon of how he found this for the Colombian television.